Hi guys, today we're going to do what's it called, Shayla, again?
The Sprite challenge.
And not burping, and Jada's in here, I don't know why. But, ready, open this up.
So today, y'all, we're going to do this Sprite challenge. That's first we gotta do this. We gotta go. Cheers! First of all, let's get right into them. This is Odie, this is JT, and this is... If you don't know, then you know. Please like and subscribe for more videos and stay tuned for more videos. Yeah, so let's get straight into it. We're going to see who will burp first. So who do you think will burp first?
Me.
I think so too. Alright, let's get straight into it. Let's open this up. Open! This is Jada's favorite part. Jada looks thirsty. Don't she look thirsty? You want some, Jada? Alright, you ready? Set and go. You gotta drink with us.
Y'all didn't take the bubbles home.
Who cares?
Stop smelling.
You guys' eyes look weird in the camera.
She burped. She burped.
Ow! Ow! Get out!
No. She burped. She burped.
Get out of here! Y'all done.
Hold up. You
Done.
burped first, Shayla.
No, I
Yes, you did. She did.
She was like,
She was like, exactly. I heard it. I heard it. Shayla lost.
Mine
did you just fart?
No. Shayla definitely lost. I know. I know, but I didn't answer her, but she definitely lost. So, therefore, Shayla is a...
Wait,
a
Mom,
loser.
did you finish it?
No.
more for me then.
She's the winner! And she just...
It's not healthy.
She's the winner!
It took a lot out of me not to burp. I ain't even gonna hold you. But, yeah.
I've been burping the whole entire time.
She was burping the whole time, like she said. But she was just doing a silent burp. She was cheating. But I did that right then. Like, so she just got the ooh face. But make sure y'all like and subscribe for more videos. We definitely got a new challenge coming up. And thank y'all for
Me
watching.
too.
And put on 500,000.
Please give this video a like. And please subscribe for more videos. Click on that bell for the notifications every time we load.
And go on Shayla's show because we are going to do a lot of
But our show sucks. But let's try to fix it.
Yeah.
In the video.
Okay, yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on to get your girl OT. Thank y'all. We out. Peace.